The American dream is dying fast. The American dream is dying right in front of us. People are working harder than ever, and somehow falling further behind. Everything costs more. Rent, food, insurance, gas, utilities. Meanwhile, wages barely move. People are drowning in debt just trying to survive. Owning a home, for millions of Americans, it no longer even feels possible. The system told people, go to school, work hard, get a good job, and someday you'll be financially secure. But now, people with full-time jobs are struggling just to make it to Friday. The American dream isn't slipping away slowly anymore. It's collapsing fast. But here's what most people still don't understand. In every economic shift, there are people who fall behind, and people who learn how to position themselves ahead of the collapse. Real estate has created more wealth than almost anything else in history, not because rich people are lucky, but because they understand assets, cash flow, and ownership. At Nova RE Alliance, we teach people how to start learning real estate investing using creative strategies most people never even hear about. No hype, no expensive guru courses, no nonsense. Just real-world strategies designed to help ordinary people build real financial freedom. Follow Nova RE Alliance. Because the people who adapt now may be the only ones financially secure later.